Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to QMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, the Chinese steel market made a strong rebound, driven by improving trade relations and optimism across the commodity sector. Major developments in the US-China trade talks have exceeded market expectations. Held in Geneva, the latest negotiations resulted in significant tariff reductions from both sides. Over the next 90 days, China will reduce tariffs on US goods from 125% all the way down to just 10%. In return, the US will lower its tariffs on Chinese products from 145% to 30%. That is a huge shift, and it's brought a lot of confidence back to the commodity market. It has also helped ease fears about weakening demand in manufacturing and the pressure on steel exports. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent steel demand increased by nearly 700,000 tons, while total inventory went down by over 400,000 tons. Production went down a bit. With the holiday period now behind us and market sentiment on the rise, spot transactions have picked up significantly. The result is a clear recovery in consumption and a reduction in inventories, signaling that demand remains resilient for now. On the supply side, many EAF steel mills are now operating at a loss, while blast furnace continues to show profitability. Molten iron output remains high, which puts the current market in a rare position of both strong supply and strong demand. So where do we go from here? The outlook remains positive in the short term. The progress in US-China trade negotiations gave some confidence for export markets, and we may even see a temporary rush to export within the 90-day window. As a result, Chinese steel prices are expected to continue going upward recently. However, we remain cautious in the long term. Once the 90-day period ends, the direction of further trade negotiations remains uncertain. There are also seasonal declines for days ahead, which means the Chinese steel market is unlikely to go strong in the long run. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.